Hey everybody, this is Jay from Dinsmore. Just wrapping up the first day of MD&M West. I've been here basically educating all day as to what's possible with 3D printing and additive in the medical space. I'm talking about all the different technologies that we house at Dinsmore and the solutions that we provide to our customers to get them to market as rapid pace as we possibly can.
This show revolves around the medical space. You'd be amazed how many people come here that are not even in medical device. They're here to find ways of prototyping and going to production. They come to Dinsmore and they figure out that, hey, not only can I do my prototyping with these guys, but they can take me all the way to the end in full production as well. We came to this show to talk about in every single 3D printing technology, whether it's DLS, MJF, sterilithography, polyjet, we have all these medical grade materials. But one thing that we haven't talked about a lot is our silicone material, and we had a huge response on the fact that we can 3D print in silicone. We had a lot of people come and they would pick up our silicone sample and they were just blown away at the fact that we can now give you end game silicone from a 3D printer.
And you speak to your silicone parts, and I think that's one thing that people realize. You can see silicone printed parts, and then you see Dinsmore silicone printed parts. The technical experience that you guys have from being early access customers with a lot of these OEMs really takes your level up to things that the OEMs can't even do.
That is a big deal, because the other thing that 3D printing is not, especially if you're doing high level and you start talking about production, and you start talking about validation, you start talking about repeatability, you start talking about QC, full documentation. This stuff is not just out of the box, and I like to call it the easy button of 3D printing. You push a button and out comes this thing that meets print, that's perfect. That doesn't happen. That's a process. And fortunately for us, we own it and we do it, and we're doing it every day. And we're in production with every single technology that we have.
I think it's so important to actually walk up to a table and be able to put these things in your hand and feel them. We had some people coming in today, and when they actually put their hands on something, like, I saw this, I saw it on the internet, but this isn't what I thought it was actually going to be in my hand. Yep. And that conversation led to, well, this is actually what you're looking for. And that's why it's so important to educate everyone on what is right for your application. This isn't something that you can just read an ad on or look on the internet and get lined up that way. You really need to dig in and have somebody align you with the right technology and material.
Trade shows are what you make them. It's not just, hey, we're trying to sell something. We're having fun in the process.
Exactly.
We're educating. Hey, if we open up a new relationship with a new, company or individual or whatever, awesome. But it's all about the people, the fun, the camaraderie, the educational piece of it. It's all of that encompassed into one. So booth 1872, Hall D, Dinsmore, and thank you guys for coming to the MD&M show. Those of you that stopped by our booth, a special thank you as well. And tomorrow's going to be another day. It's going to be fun, and we'll get after it and educate some more.